fuck is going on? Look, my work radar is right here. That thing is directly above my fucking work right now. This is a fucking no-fly zone. There's literally something flying right above my work radar. Either way, that's a problem. It's still there. I fucking stopped, but I mean, clearly it's like an airplane or a drone or something, but look. What the fuck is that? I swear there was something that broke off a second ago and flashed. This is literally in front of my work radar right now. Of course it's shaking so much. Look. Like, my work radar is literally right here, dude. They are going to fly in front of my work radar. It's somewhere over there. That's a moth. But a second ago, it traveled off over there. But what the fuck?